About this pre-owned 2012 Ford F-150 King Ranch 4x4. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Ford has less than 151,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.